In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects and pan the canvas in Draw.io with Shift Drag. First, open your web browser and go to Draw.io, also known as Diagrams.net. When the site loads, choose where you want to save your work, then create a new blank diagram or open an existing one. Give the page a moment to initialize so the canvas and toolbar are fully ready. You should see a white canvas in the middle, a Shapes panel on the left, and formatting options on the right. Now let's focus on moving objects with control and confidence. Click any shape, text box, or connector to select it. With the object selected, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag the object to a new position. Keeping Shift held while you drag helps you move things in a deliberate, steady way, so you can fine-tune placement without accidental misalignment. If you're arranging a group of items, select multiple objects first, then hold Shift and drag to move them together as a single unit. Watch for the smart alignment guides that appear as you move. Those subtle lines help keep everything tidy and evenly spaced. If the object doesn't move, it may be locked. Simply unlock it and try again with Shift held down. Next, let's move around the page itself. If your diagram is larger than the visible area, you can pan the canvas using the same Shift drag technique. Click on an empty area of the canvas, hold the Shift key, and drag the mouse. The entire page will glide in the direction you drag, allowing you to explore different sections of your diagram without changing the zoom level. If the page doesn't pan, make sure you're clicking on blank space rather than on a shape or connector. It often helps to zoom out a little so you have more empty canvas to grab. You can also temporarily deselect everything by clicking once on an empty spot before you Shift drag. As you work, remember a few practical tips. Keep Shift pressed before you start dragging and hold it until you've released the mouse to avoid accidental selections. Make small, intentional movements to leverage the alignment guides for clean layouts. And save your diagram frequently so your changes are preserved while you experiment. That's it. Go to Draw.io, use Shift while dragging to move objects precisely, and Shift drag on empty space to pan the page. Practice both motions a few times, and you'll navigate and organize your diagrams faster and more accurately. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.